Hi there, welcome to Tech Thought. Today I'm going to talk about GitHub Basic. What is GitHub? GitHub is source code management system. We have many source code management system like Bitbucket, AWS, Code Commit, and GitHub. So why GitHub is most familiar compared to other tools? It's there are multiple reasons. So it's the first things will be like it's open source and like easy to manage the source code in there, and the most widely used source code management systems. Okay, and easy to collaborate with other system. Like we can, there are multiple features which we can use it, and we can collaborate with other system like Jenkins and all. We can create CI/CD pipeline to build and deploy the code. So that is where it's most famous. Okay. Now we'll see how we can create a GitHub account. So just creating the GitHub account is it's very simple, like like normal email creation. Like we can go into this URL, and we can click the sign up, and we can provide our email password and the username, and then we can complete with CAPTCHA verifications. Once and we can go with the free plan, and once everything is done, then there is a paid version also. Then if that is enterprise version, so which we can use it if we are going to protect. There are many extra features available which we can use it. Okay, so just we can go in there and we can create that account. Okay, so in my case, just like here you can we can go and we can create it. I have already just I created. So now we'll see how we can create the repository. Repository is nothing but it's a folder where we can store our source code, and we can access, and we can we can commit our changes, all those things we can do it. Okay. So once we logged into that GitHub account, just we need to create the repository so that we can like we can maintain our code and there. Okay. To create that repository, just we need to click that plus button, or we can use this button to just to create the repository. Okay. So here we need to provide the repository name. For example, I'm giving the test repository. Okay, then the description and all options. So here we can provide uh, for what purpose we are going to use this repository. This is optional, so we just I'm giving demo project. So then we have to select the option. These repositories, it's a public repository, or it's a private. Only internal people, who's authorized people, only those people can access. Then we can select this. So I'm going with this option, private option. So in case of like if you are contributing some code and you want to share it, then you can go with this option. Okay, but for now I'm going with this. Mm, so here we have multiple options. So here we can add the README file. It's not here. It is a text file where we can add about our project, what it is doing, what is the use case, and what is the purpose. All those, and how to install, and the prerequisites. All those things we can define in the README file. Once we can, this also is optional. Okay, then once we selected, then here, like if you are going with the paid version, then we can select the license. Otherwise, we can leave as it is. Once we provide all those details, and just we can create the repository. Okay, creating repository is easy. We can create it. Now repository got created under this account. Okay, so test repo, it got created. It's a private repo. Now we need to see how we can access this repo. It's simple empty folder. Okay, here we need to push our code or our our projects. Okay, so how to push. Okay, so that is what we will see. So here we have multiple options how we can add the code here. Okay. We can direct from here we can create the file, or we can upload the file, zip file or a text file, whatever you want, you can upload it in this repo, or you can commit it, you can commit or check clone the project, all those things we can do. Okay, so there are multiple option which we can use that URL to access this repository. Okay, the one is the HTTPS option, so we can use this one, and by using by using GitHub test sorry by using GitHub client, uh, we can clone this project. Okay, so we can use any of that. So I have created that repository. Once it got created, then we need to clone that project and we need to commit our changes. Okay, so cloning is nothing but it's we can use any kind of uh, Git client. Okay, so source tree, Tories Git, all those things will be Git client. We can use this client and we can source tree and Tories Git and all. It's a UI based one. Okay, we can it's very easy to visualize the changes and we can commit it. Okay, or we can use Git base. So in my case, I'm using Git base. So wherever you want to, you want to store your source code, then you can you can right click and you can install any of that uh, client. Then once it's installed, then you can go with your terminals and you can run your commands. For in this case, if you want to clone the project, then you can use this command uh, git clone, and then the URLs, repo URLs. You can paste it here. Then we can clone it. Once it's done, then our like our local copy will be created. Then we can make our changes here and we can push it there. Push the changes into the remote repository. Uh, that is the basic about the GitHub. We'll see more on the next session. Okay. Thank you.